In this video I'm going to show you how visual analytics looks like when you don't have a Matrigma score in the project. In this video I'm going to go through how it looks like when you don't have a Matrigma score within visual analytics. All other projects that I've shown, we've always had Matrigma as a part of the assessment process. But you can definitely go into Ascend or use visual analytics without having Matrigma. So in this instance, I've done a project called Only Map project. So there's no competency profile, there's nothing. These candidates, I only have their score on map. That's all I've done. And nonetheless, I can log into visual analytics to look at the data. And we have two views that we can look at. Of course, we need to add candidates first. And we do that by clicking the add candidate and then adding the candidates that we have. As you can see, there's no match score because we don't have a competency profile in this project. Now we can compare these two candidates to each other on the 5-factor, and we also have access to the MapX data. So even though you don't have a competency profile and even though you don't have anything else than just a map, it's still a very useful tool to get an understanding of how these two candidates compare to each other. Like in this instance, they are probably gonna, during stress and press, behave very differently, where it seems like Timon Pumbaa is going to be somewhat more perfectionistic and more rigid, going to get stuck in details maybe, whereas Rapunzel is probably going to be more impulsive and make very quick decisions. And that can be very useful for you to understand how these two people will behave to make a more informed decision.